Victory, victory. Talk to Junker, them say them a claim victory. Lord Jesus. Talk to Junker, them is on the fighting trail. So them say, we feel like them done, but them just a come. Them think we done, just a come. People, one nation family. Now we are going to see if the fight now going to put up back. Because since them want to take it to a different level, me I go see if such woman I go sit down and make them smear her name. Because if them reach at this level where they can form their group, sending email to the Mount Vernon citizens whatsoever, council whatsoever, whosoever organized this jerk fest, that they can turn around and cancel, based on my understanding, allegedly, cancel the appearance of Donna. Now me I go save Donna and our legal team and all the persons who behind her, who is consulting her, if them now go pull up them socks now and realize that this fight is not simple anymore. Because they said, now you're into them hometown. This is not Jamaica. And one of the things them say, you know, get no accolades at Jamaica. So them want to know how you become a foreign come get accolades. And that are going to make you feel like you're big. So it all involve bad mind, jealousy. You understand what I say to you? And we all know a king never get crowned in his own place yet. It's always out a road him go get crowned. You know what? Artists who's internationally right now that don't get no accolades in a Jamaica from Jamaica. But when them go to Europe, you can't believe so the same artists. So you see a Jamaica where they've not get a bookings. But when them go to Europe, them get bookings. So I don't know why to make this be a problem and an issue of this woman getting accolades into America. You understand? You don't show how jealous you are of the woman's success and what she will achieve and what she already achieved in her life. But remember, the victory won't claim of she being cancelled to be performed an award at this jerk fest. It's no victory at all. You can't take what she done have already. And the victory you really want is not this victory. The victory you want to see talk to Larry the Lizard crew is to see this woman go behind bars or lose what she have. Or in some draggings with the law where you can sit down and laugh. This is no victory. This is just a coward set of organizers. What I say? This is just a coward set of organizers of this jerk fest because of uno threat to uno send of boycotting a little handful of uno boycotting the jerk fest and come there, come go on with yourself as one promise and one plan for do. There as an organization, they are cowards. So what they done, they take uno email in consideration and reach out back to uno and claim to say, allegedly, because as I say, I don't hear anything from the organization and I have not heard anything from Mrs. Go to say, okay, this is what. And by right, if them email uno, pan the request of phone email what uno send, and them do what them do, them supposed to reach out to she or any management for her. So she's supposed to aware of it. I have not heard anything in the present doing this video. I was just sent this video by someone asking me if I see it XYZ, where, you know, one of my colleagues. And I said no, and then when I get into the video, because I have not been on social media after I released my video this morning, and me see and hear one say, I decide to just jump on it. Based on what Uno are saying, me I go quote what Uno say. So as I say, people have not heard from Miss Go, I have not heard from the organization of this jerk fest. I'm just going to quote based on what them say. So. But what I'm saying, this is no victory for Uno. These people are just a set of coward, don't want to know that, okay, the date is just 2 minutes away, which is weekend, and cause an interruption where their jerk fest is concerned. So the best thing to do, they have no time to investigate the matter that you are complaining on. So what them have to do, the best thing for you to come and cause no problem at them place is to cancel using this person, which is Donna. Right? That will suit for you need, so you won't come do what you plan for do, so them jerk fest can go on. Them can't just make one person stop them thing from going on. So the next best thing is to cancel. She make Uno feel like, okay, it's alright. Then please Uno. This is not a victory. The victory Uno want is to see the back of this woman, see her placed into a cell, see her losing what she have, see her having run-ins with the American law. That's Uno. And the victory that what Uno want. People, we are getting on the video. Like, speak my mind, people, Uno know what they do. Just before we get into the video, Uno take a time out, hit the thumbs up. Please to watch the ads, like, share and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Follow me upon TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and please go over on my backup page and channel and YouTube, Life is a Mission TV, and give me a subscription. Please and thanks, and support the merge and the website of the website of charmsandtrends.shop. My Speak My Mind t-shirt is over there. You know, you get it how you want it to your request. You can get it like this if you want this to Speak My Mind small right here on the breast, or you want the SMM itself, just the initial, or you want the Speak My Mind big and bold with the So Easy. You just say how you want it. We will give it to you customized. That's all we do. You understand? You can get your goods customized. Alright? Check out the tumblers, just the same. Alright? Time at America, according to what me here. You don't need a little mini fridge cup to walk with. When you're full of ice at morning time, it's serving up for the whole day with a beverage. When you drink out in a beverage, you can't chew up beverage pan it and ice still stand up in it. Quality goods, affordable price. You choose the type of color you want or what you need. If you go on the website and you see one, you might don't get it automatically the same way as you see that one, but we will bring it the nearest point to that one with the same color, because most of the time we don't have like any stencils or anything print that we just go so boom and we know so we spray ready so spray blowers. No, we just do it at the minute we are doing it, the idea is coming to an end. So basically it's like designer, so you might just get one like that, then you might get something similar to it, but it won't be the exact same thing, because may I tell you, you have a skill to do the exact same thing. Alright, so you just go support the website, charmsandtrends.shop. When you support the website, you help me to continue to support the needy. As you see, I have 5 somebody where I have on board. I want to give back some groceries to at the end of the month, and I only can afford 2 because I don't want to put my foot where I can't reach. Alright, so I don't depend on people to send. What I really depend on is you people to support the channel and watch the ads. So when I get paid from YouTube, I want to support the merge and support the merge, alright? Yes, I can surely give these people something at the end of the month. Whatever I can give. If it's a $10,000 bag of grocery, $5,000, I give what I can give at the end of the month. But I choose 2 persons that I can commit it to, no matter what the circumstance. If people randomly send me some water, snow mint, money, you understand? Where that's what I take, the snow mint and the water money, and do give it to the needy and buy these things out of my own pocket. I'm not running a charity, so Lauren then can't come for me. You understand? I may have a little handful of people who will send something come when they have it. Sometimes people are go through them trials and them tribulation and can't able to send it. They are not committed. They are not all ransom to send anything. They send when they feel like. Them send from them heart and them send. And as me say, it's not a charity them I send to. Them I send when them gift me, I use the gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Alright? But when you support the merge, watch the channel, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up so we can gain more audience who will do just the same. And most of all, watch the ads. I surely can do that. Alright? Give back to the needy. People who are getting the video, them claim to say it's breaking news. But it's breaking news for them because them feel like it's a victory because them get something done. But as I said earlier, it's a set of cowards, set of organizers, our council, because their date is so close, them know the best thing to save them event is to cancel all the persons who these fly by night and pitch by day emails about and what information they have sent in, and them said there is more to come, whole heap more to come, whole heap more things, and them organize them hard drive to send in every little thing what she do and what she say. And the whole Sharika argument come back up. Sharika was also in them comment section and them a big her up. Dwayne was called for the first time. Them said them a talk to a call Dwayne. He was on the platform rejoicing, and them call all kind of people are calling. So now just stay tuned. My outer door and it's very windy. Sometimes the volume might go down, not by my cost, but them. So only just listen up. Them say breaking news. So the speaker will come and tell you what happened. Them now stay more than 5 minutes and a 1 hour and add nearly 2 hours water life.
We will come, we just a drop a bomb and leave it and go away and leave you in a suspend. Alright, speaker, you bet me so much right. Hold on. I mean, 5 of you right. How much you need to right? Let me put up on the speaker. Oh, not alright. Alright, so my honorable speaker gonna talk to you for like about,
you know, long in a year she.
5 minutes.
I don't really listen to them on a regular basis.
Alright, speaker. I received an email from the president of the Mount Vernon City Council, and this is what the email says. Dear Ms. Bradshaw, thank you for reaching out and for sharing your concerns. Hold on, dear Ms. Bradshaw et al., because it was a number of us who signed.
No, man, I tell you one call the name 2 times.
Thank you for reaching out and for sharing your concerns regarding the upcoming Jerk Fest in Mount Vernon. I want to provide clarity on this matter. The Mount Vernon City Council was initially scheduled to honor Donna Marie Go, also known as Auntie Donna, based on information presented about her humanitarian work. However, after learning about the serious allegations and concerns that have been raised, the City Council has made a decision not to proceed with honoring her at Jerkfest or any other event. Let me repeat that part.
You hear? The serious allegation that they, the Mount Vernon City Council, has not investigated. But guess what? They has no time to do so. Reason being, their event is mostly this weekend, if I'm not lying. And with the threat that these people are carrying out as a group, an unknown registered civil group, plan to carry out, they don't want something like that. And they might be looking at it and say, okay, we can't be keeping our event on our yearly basis and we just make one person, this one person, come and cause a problem. So here what? The best thing is to do, despite it's an allegation, we have not done any research, we have not really, doing a proper investigation. But with the threat that these people are carrying out, what we're going to do, we're going to cancel her from being an awardee and being a speaker of the event. Alright? That's simple what happened. And that's why I said they're a coward. Because these people is just a handful of people. Donna have nothing to lose from this, They have something to lose from this. Because the Planka Nation support that would have comes out, whoever buy a ticket already is going to want a refund. So who have to lose something, yes or no? Donna no lose nothing at all. Donna no lose nothing, And the organization lose something here. Because I am sure the plankers that plan to go to that event will no longer go. Main reason is how the cancellation comes about. From Uno, all drunk from over talk truth. It's so be the case. it's something goes off with you. Because as I said, I have not heard from Donna Go, and I have not heard from the organization, nothing official. I'm just quoting what they are saying here. And if they're coming out here to say all these things to make themselves look good, wow. And nothing no go so. Something wrong. Something wrong. If them are come out and talk all these things and nothing no go so, something wrong with them. So me a quote half of them people. But as me say, the organization is a coward. Donna not nothing to lose anyway. But you need to protect her. This is what that thing when me say she need to protect her name and her brand.
The individuals we recognize reflect the values and integrity of our community. We appreciate you bringing this matter to our attention. Thank you for your vigilance and your commitment to accountability. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out. D. Brown, Esquire, President, City of Mount Vernon City Council.
All right, so and the next thing we're going to send all of Donna Vice. All of Donna Vice about.
Not just the boys, we're sending all of the reels and the whatever that we have. Not just to them, but we believe it is a Lord.
We're not going to know.
Them have big plans, but God a man a plan and God a wife. No worry.
Read it again.
You will want to read it again because you want your name called. Because the city council address you.
No, no.
Nasty Babish and Dwayne.
Miss Donna, when we want them ask, why did Rushmart and American Citizen collecting money? Kamura going on. Why American Citizen use them bank account for
I say we're not going to step in the wrong set of pieces, you see.
Donna,
Well,
you
no
have a
cure, no
nasty-
clean. Hey,
Make it X, make it them just
we're not going to step in the wrong set of pieces while we're not stepping on a house. All years we're not clean that and the smell can't come out. No worry, man. You no go and step in the wrong set of pieces. Just continue to behave the way you not behave. Continue. You not talk about hold it more and go down. You no wait, man. You no go and step in the wrong set of pieces. Remember?
Donna, you have a blessed day, okay? Miss Donna,
Miss
Miss Donna.
in this country, we
Yeah, we have rights, yes, sir. Andrew never hear we, but yes, sir, go hear we. Yes, sir, the next time you see crocodile, I would up on a TV. You got to go to your lawyer now, because it gets sticky. So go
Hey.
to your lawyer, the lawsuit. All right, you all have a blessed day. Until you hear from me.
I want to add no, but
Andrew
you want
Pass.
to bless day. One hour add out
Honorable
alive.
Speaker, Wayne the foreman, Williams the foreman, and Wally.
That name they were called Wayne the Foreman. Me I wonder if a such Wayne will it over such man, you know. Me I wonder if a such Wayne will it over such man. Cause you chap big up the people when they're behind the whole platform and the whole thing. Wayne the Foreman, this, that. Me I wonder if other Wayne there.
Team member when we came in start to list the name, you all don't feel left out. We are all a team. Dwayne, your money is coming up in questioning. So make sure you have your receipt then. Justice
If
for
him not
Dwayne
have it, you're not
money.
supposed to have it, man. Like on have
Justice
everything
for
from
Dwayne
tongue drive.
money. All the people them who use them account, who they want to tell the state, why we don't collect money for Donna Marico? Yeah, man, we get in there.
Just make a comment and say she sent an email and she got the same response, so no lies told her. No, me want to come out here and tell a lie on somebody like that. No.
Yeah, so no big up on yourself. This is all we are going to do. We're little, but we tolerant.
And
Vibes are going to be heard.
guys, as a result of this response, we don't have any reason to go there and go disturb them event on Saturday because we got the response that we needed.
Me feel like
Alright.
me feel
And that is it. That is what the organizers were afraid of. Little time to address the situation. So the best way is to accept whatever email them send come and cancel the person in concern. You understand? Cancel the person in question. Because them have little time. And that's why I said they are a coward. there is a coward. Because they have much more to lose cancelling this woman than have her upon the award as a recipient. And I heard that she was going to also be what you call it, presenter, them type of persons there. You're right. You understand? For me, them a little handful of people here spoil all of that because them are coward.
I'm on the panel wrong with that. Me get paid for all the drug fest. And I'm for you, me don't build up my hopes and me I got drug fest. So I'm sorry, right? So me that.
When I meet
Me I go dance.
that's all I'm saying.
Me buy my ticket. When me and Steve I go dance. Only see me and Steve go dance.
Honestly, guys, I am surprised at how promptly her response was. Her response was very, very, very prompt. And I respect it. And Chantel and those of you who also email, call,
The response will be prompt. Reason being, there's no time. Time is limited. So it's not like they could have seen this email and said, "Chuck, put that aside. That now worry me right now. Wait. They would have to deal with it quick and fast like an emergency because you are threatening their event. You understand? You is a threat to the event. And them now nobody no want to put on nothing and spend their money and problem cost and it not go good. So they will have to look into your email quick and fast, and then it is something that they can sacrifice in cancel the representation of that person. Them are gonna do it. Who wanna do it? But they are a coward.
very much. There is power in numbers. As small as we are, there is powers in numbers. This is not something with Michelle though. This is not something with Lorian though. This is a collective thing that we all have done, including Dwayne, right? This is something that we have all done, and this is why we must always, no matter where they fall, because a lot of us were disheartened. I know a lot of you were disheartened when you hear Donna come out and laugh and go on the most, but we remain firm because we knew where we were going, what we wanted to achieve, and what we were doing.
Wanna listen to jealousy, you know.
There is no way Donna go after all the things she has done. Sharika, I see you in the comments, girl. I see you in the comments. And all I want to say to you, Sharika, is this. Stand firm, girl. Stand firm. Stand firm. Stand firm.
So when we want to know, with all this what about Sharika thing I come up back on all these things and whatsoever, there's any credibility where Sharika is concerned? May I ask the public, I don't believe there's any credibility where Sharika is concerned. Because Sharika allegedly come out and say rups. Everybody run with it, say rups. Then, I don't even know if it's a week or months after, time after, she come out and declare that nothing goes like that. That she all go back and link up with Miss D and all them something on the pan camera. So Miss D not pay them no mind. Wait. So, with all of this now, I want to say Sharika in on the comment, me not see. I want to tell her to stand firm and wait. Meaning, she willing now to also play a part with what Uno do. So I am questioning, if so be the case, there is any credibility about this Sharika here. Because basically she's like a flip-flop, you know. If so be the case, you know. Because she have said, she come out allegedly and said, this is what happened and this happened. Then after, she said, nothing never go like that and Ray do it and this and that. And link up go on months after Ray. So now, is it that she's going to come back again and twist her mouth again? Where is the credibility? And only dead and can't get none. And only dead and can't get none. Jealousy, man.
She's not gonna come here and get away with it. This is just step number one. There's more to come. Lord, we'll talk later.
Alright, big up yourself. And guys, again, and
At the end of the day, I could see how I get out of
Tell
all
you,
this.
thank you, why?
And when you retire,
It wasn't
old
that.
age, I could retire.
wasn't
If
an
you,
easy
if old age even carrying to a certain
And I
level,
did not give up.
because some money now if you get really old, you know. Me I tell you, no, because all them are sitting in your people business, I'm going to make you
The good
pass
Lord
quicker and
send
nothing.
me, and He promised me victory at the end of the tunnel. He said, fight. Put up a fight. On this note, I'm going to play a song. How could we end and not tell God thanks? Thank you, Lord.
Baby germs. Make sure you change your pampers, but Donna come here.
No, and it's not a laughing matter. Donna's not to stop scam.
Link up back Tina now, no? Link up Tina and Marcia now. Strengthen the camp and go over Facebook for the cockroach them over there too. Cause I want to get victory. I want to keep a party. Man who last laugh the best.
Of the box. I mean, I just a play. You want think is a disc jockey I deal with. Yeah. So you see when you walk in, I say, see this camera here. We come now to come to America, whether you want to do Jamaica. See we catch one of this camera in our territory. When Anna them come, them get for them time. Yeah. I'm going to be there.
That's not a problem, man. The woman up in our hometown
I walk on.
and has been awarded. Only won't say now do so much good. Nobody now look upon. Nobody even know no. Much less to recommend enough for your award.
You understand? If I'm alone, me will go represent the whole time truth. Yeah, man. Me I sit down there. Right? And we are welcoming the groom and the bride. So when she walk in, she go hear her advice. And I say, scam a girl. Why you scam the people them in a
Look
Jamaica?
on your foot and you see that.
You coulda come and come get Anna.
If there's any
And how
view.
me work so hard in a this. And if you get Anna,
Me know how it to not run down. Me know how it to not run down. It to not jealous of the recognition where the woman a get. The recognition. Oh no, listen clear. How jealousy come in and the recognition where the woman a get. The hear her and them fear she fear get it. For do what? What he has done. More than sit down on your platform. Your husband upstairs asleep, you're in the basement for people business right through the night till morning. And that you want accolades, sir? And that you want award for? Eh? What you have done to receive an award? Eh?
When me come here, my visa expire. And if it on euro. When I get here, the same day my visa expire. And I am American citizen, so when me email again, and that me go tell her. So you see, when me get into this country, eh? The same day I get here, my visa expire.
Last laugh, a laugh. And one thing me want to know is such woman and our legal team now go step up the work, you know. Because you know, take it to another notch now, you know. People, they are taking it to another notch now. So me, I go see if such woman still I go sit down and talk about God, that leave it to God. God help those that help themselves. You understand? So me I go see if you go sit down now, you know, such woman with your legal team, you know. Because these people take it to another notch now, you know. And if these people can take it to this notch and threaten us to go even further, speak of things that they have in plan to do in the coming days, and you are going to sit down and make them smear your brand and smear your name without get a legal team activate. Make we see. Because them are claim victory for this. When me not see no victory in this. No victory in this. Because me know this is not what them really want.
I thank you, I applaud you. I acknowledge you right now, and I acknowledge you.
This is like the World Cup round the corner and a man win a little practice match and a jump up and still can't qualify for the World Cup.
Go through a lot of slandering, but did not give up. Then take out all money to her look pum pum. Then stick up some in a milli bottom. Then take out Steve, see them out I made, and do so much. At one point, me used to
Nothing to do yet, man. Nothing to do yet.
Because it's just like
You just wait. We just want the woman get activate our legal team. We don't see what the last laugh. I want him to know for sure, you know. I want him to know for sure. If such woman step forward with our legal team, the support alone we shall go get, Uno can't stand up to the fight. What me say? If such woman gets serious and come up front where our legal team comes out here to defend whatever is going on, the support base ready. The support base ready to activate also. But the support base cannot activate when she not activate the whole thing. She have the key to activate this legal matter. Without she activate it, the support base cannot activate. Because we, the support base, can't activate she, you know. She have to activate we by go ahead with her legal team. And then, you know, we see who have the last laugh.
I fight for right. One day my daughter asked me, let me ask you, Mommy, you ever donate to this lady? I said, no, I would not donate to her. And them take it. And them
Why you stop there? That's not how your daughter say after your answer. So what your daughter say after your answer and say no. No hide what your daughter say.
You understand, but I did not.
We all know what your daughter did say after your answer. So I don't know why you hide it for.
Yes.
Break the news, Dad.
Alright, so it's a change the title. I put breaking news. Okay.
If there's a bloggers running with this now, because now you have something to run with.
Yeah, this a person who sound like them have chew tongue in them head.
I applaud you. I thank you. I really.
They should have no remorse. If you want to place bars.
Nasty Babisha.
She not done it because she keep lying about it. And for the whole internet, the Sherika Beaton never take place on a Sunday. Donna too wicked and lie. It took place on a Saturday. See? And then I keep coming out and tell people about shit, but like as a Sunday go, but the talk to me. But you know the people believe that say I really Sunday happen. I remember you know, then I go and I tell about 10 different stories about what happened, you know.
But Bobby, them wicked like that, you know. Because Sherika, who it happened to, come out and say the meeting took place on a Saturday. And them still believe Donna, so them wicked and Donna. Honestly, anybody who believe it, wicked and Donna. Truth is.
So Sherika can come out and say nothing no go so also.
Say, I don't not tell Pandana, she wasn't there, you know. Just because
See your mouth to say yes, say no, you know.
Mrs. Unstoppable. Because all of them were feeling them with gunman and bad man, but feel like nobody can do them nothing. But we always talk about, it's a lot of corruption in the law, boss. And no matter how bad them be, they can't bother the law. See? Them bother Jamaica, they can't bother England, and they can't bother Canada, and they can't bother the United States of America. This is one thing we don't give over your boss, and nobody now take it from me. Freedom of speech.
Yeah, every time you hear that big old sodomite your voice, me have to laugh, you know.
I'm gonna talk about
Every time you hear that cruff your voice, me have to laugh.
me come out here and say she don't believe. Good God, man, you're
But if man a sit down all over you, judge woman. Man sit down all over you, so judge woman. You feel? People take your woman's good at take your supposed to take your feel like a sack.
And if Lady B come out and say, like me, I tell me, play by first in the history, me play advice. Lady B and Donna need begs for it. Because Lady B go to Donna privately and tell Donna what she done to Sherika was not right. And Donna and Lady B go along in a one war. Laura, because they tell publicly that woman was a plank, it go nowhere. Although me never want to go nowhere, can I say, you know what?
at 4:30, but it's a special meeting, she said. But that's too, the time.
Hey, them people put a whole heap of effort. Father God, one woman makes someone can ever do no own personal business. Someone can ever wash on the crutches good. On the crutches cheesy. I don't know footwear in her shoes. Can you imagine? I know footwear in her shoes were cheesy and the crutches cheesy somehow, no. Uno find so much time. Wanna get so much time. Uno put so much interest. Hey yo, Shadow Star. I can't wait for the day, but how longer will I wait? Is this an encouraging sign? Yeah. I am asking. Let me look up to the sky. The tree are black me, but I still see sky. Father God, is this an encouraging sign for such woman to activate our legal team? To protect our name, our brand? Can you answer me, Father God? I will ask the question one more time, dear God. Is this a sign where they claim that they have done? If it's true, is this a sign of such woman? See how serious these people is. If she were then used to take them for joke, that she now see how serious them is to smash her character and her brand away. For her now to activate her legal team. So our support base can also be activated, because if she don't activate her legal team, the support base cannot activate. Because reason being, the support base don't have the authority to activate the legal team. She have the authority to activate the legal team. Then the support base will come on board and play their part by activating the support behind what she planned to do. So I hope that this is a sign.
The next meeting is the 9th of July. Now, when I said earlier there is something I wanted to discuss, this was actually what I wanted to discuss. And what we need to understand before we jump the gun, what we need to start, we need to understand when certain things get, when it's at the city level is different from the state level. When certain things get organized and done, they send it to the city clerk to say that this is what is happening. So the city clerk is aware it's happening. They contact the police as to, if they need to put up barriers, whatever. The lady I spoke to, she honestly did not know anything. I spoke to her again this morning.
People, there was a lot more. I have to skip out some, because I don't know for them thing out long.
To her and directed me where to go. So we need to be careful.
Just make sure me care and highlight what is going on, so we have an understanding.
That's what I wanted to discuss.
Because most of them now jump the fence.
It is open now.
And me have to jump it full now.
No, because if one or two persons can go to the city council or go to a city council meeting and say, I want to nominate this person, because not only would Donna be receiving this honorary award, they had her to also host the show. Now, if one or two persons can go to a city council meeting, because I was just told that it was discussed at a city council meeting, and a city council meeting is open to the public. So it doesn't necessarily mean there is somebody on the board, but there's somebody of importance, and I have an idea who it is, but I'm not going to call any assertions right now. The issue is, if the city council is going to have open meetings to the public, and somebody is going to come and say, I want to nominate Lorraine Brown for an award, and Lorraine Brown is not, what the word may I look for?
No use Lorraine as the example because I only have got award Lorraine. Lorraine have no award to get from no organized. No organized body Lorraine have no award to get from. I only have got award Lorraine. For failure. Nothing but failure. I only good have award on yourself also.
That is cause for concern because basically what I got in the email was that it was mentioned by someone to the city council members that Donna should be awarded. Now this is honestly on the city council's
Mr. Speaker, when you say we have to be careful when we put out there, we're not disrespect them.
Listen to what I am saying.
Soon on, I get to myself in a problem, man. No worry. As I said earlier, we're not going to step into the wrong pieces. One can't clean up.
Because I was informed it was a special emergency meeting. The lady did not give me reasons why, because the next annual meeting for them to have is on the 9th of July. I am suggesting that as a group, we need to go to this
An organized official group.
What
What some people just put together, call themselves a group.
Make sense that 1, 2, or 3 persons, it doesn't matter if a group of people even said to the city council,
Do you want to put money off our internet? You are doing what is right. And it's the biggest disgrace that I can see that somebody coming from Jamaica, that nobody in Jamaica honor her, nobody put her on the radio station, and they coming up here to give her what?
Nobody put her on radio station. Me not understand you. Donna come on TV, Donna come on radio station, Donna turn down radio station interview, Donna turn down TV interview. And as me say, when I say nobody honor her, earlier on in the video me say, people never normally get honor in their own country or in their own place. It's always people outside honor people. Because people are so jealous and bad mind of others that they don't want to see them go above them. So them not honor them. Are people when you know them like that, physically and in them space on a regular basis, or come from them country, see the good and see what them do and honor them. I have shown you an example with entertainers. There is so many entertainers. When it comes to you, I can't name one entertainer with bigger Europe, but in a bigger yard. And he's a very talented entertainer. An entertainer named Charlie Black. Very talented entertainer. You understand? And when them man they go to Europe, a different thing from them go to Jamaica. People them talk about them man that Jamaica. You hardly see them man they on a show at Jamaica. But when them man they get booked for Europe, Europe love them down there. And look how big Europe is. So a man never get honor in his own place yet. So when you're not going to use that as example, but Prime Minister they will recognize her. As me say, he was there, some man who you see I get recognition, we out here a long time, whether humanity or whatever, him I get honor in her. And years him I do that. From him young, until him have to walk with stick that the soldier have to help him up. On the platform for go meet the Governor General, and when him take the placard show him hand upon. Him can't even take it. When them a go pin anything upon him, I saw the chest a tremble. And I hears them man there do it. So when I feel like say getting an honor, it take just a day or two. Plus the Prime Minister is not the one who choose who them a honor. It's where you fall down there. The type of work that you are doing and the honor we fall under. You have a body that recommend a few people and then them pick from that few. And if on a your time, I just not your time. How many years be the man and Bounty Killer I do the music for Jamaica? And how much years after before they was recognized? Eh? And the list goes on and on. So when you come and talk about she not get no honor from Andrew Owens. Andrew Owens not honor people. It's a body of people pick who them want. It's not Andrew Owens single and they pick out say yes me I honor you. No. So if you don't understand how the whole nominees of being an awardee at the National Hero Circle, unless him gonna give an individual Prime Minister award, that's a different thing. But this award thing will not talk about when Heroes Day come, people awarded for this and that, and humanitarian this and that, serving your country for this and that, and bravery and honor. Come on, it's not Andrew only speak nobody.
And that's why she don't want to go work. Because she don't tell herself, say, once she get the award there, you know, the people, them are going to eye up in the house, see she get the award, so she not scam.
You know, want a woman who have her own business and make her own money to go work for people 9 to 5. Cool too. Anyway, people, may I come to the end of the video in the car. As me say a 1 hour, other load, them say a 5 minutes, them a go.
You can't tell me say you have a hard register charity and you are come and put up say you're going to get an award. This is like a game. Like say,
No, we shall try it. No, if you shall try it.
okay.
But a tanker.
Yeah, man.
A tanker.
Everything good. You think I'm saying that?
Anyway, people, we come to the end of another video. Them say a breaking news. So we could see what go on. I see what Donna come out with no response as yet or whatsoever. So I go see how the night played out. I don't have any time now. After I done edit this video, I have to go run up on the road because I break because I could afford to break before I go do something. So I just go edit this video and try to release it right away immediately since them say breaking news. Alright? I did have a video for release today though. In the evening, you know, but that video they have to push back till tomorrow morning. Me have to push back that video because this more hotter. You understand? More of my people that may jump the fence, who not aware of what I go on right now, if you know like no, this is hotter for the press. So just do the do, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Please to watch the ads on both channels. That's how the channel get a revenue. Alright? And remember, follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel on YouTube, which is Life is a Mission TV, my backup channel, I am asking you please to go and do so now. Family oriented channel. You know, you look at bar talk and your drama, your street talk where you can't control nobody because you see them attack and you just find it funny and know so you want to bring a little laugh and you want it to be authentic, so you now cut out certain little thing. You will see it in the title rated PG, RPG. So you know say boy, if you have a little child, you have to be careful of what I go say in the video. Away from that cook vlog, indoor, outdoor, lots of little stuff over there, multiple type of things over there, not just over here like I just want something going on over here, so alright, you know, we find something over there for what? Newscast, draw, you know, go. Just go support. And remember, watch it at Life is a Mission TV, YouTube. Support the merch and the website of charmsandtrends.shop. Speak My Mind t-shirt, Life is a Mission t-shirt, any one of the slang them do so easy, up like Age One Nation, you can get it. You can get it customized. If you want it like this with a little small Speak My Mind, you get it. If you want just the SMM on the breast part here, so you get it. If you want it big and bold, Speak My Mind, so easy, do, you get it. If you want it right in the neck back, you say you get it. If you want it on the sleeve, you say you get it. You understand? We give it to you customized how you want it. We tell you how you can get it and you choose how you want it. Alright? I'm working on a little logo where I put a little style, I go put the SMM and I put my little logo like a man stand up with a big hand, a speaking mind, yeah, stand up on the SMM. Yeah, but I work on the logo, so all that. So just do the thing and request good reason for shop with Charms and Trends. You can get what you want customized. Once we can do it, we will. Alright? That's it. Till further notice.